Want to stand out as a data scientist? Learn how to build a professional portfolio website in just few steps. Step 1. Start by choosing a clean and modern website template that showcases your work effectively. Step 2. Highlight your data science projects, skills, and experience in a visually appealing way. Step 3. Include a professional bio and contact information so potential employers or clients can easily reach out to you. Step 4. Make sure to showcase real-world projects and provide detailed explanations of your process and results. Step 5. Consider adding a blog section to share insights, tutorials, and industry trends to demonstrate your expertise. Step 6. Optimize your website for SEO to increase visibility and attract more opportunities. Step 7. Don't forget to regularly update your portfolio with new projects and accomplishments. Step 8. Remember, your portfolio website is a reflection of your skills and professionalism as a data scientist. If you want to become a data scientist, you should enroll in Digicrome's Data Science with AI course. You'll find the course link in the description box, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.